Hello everyone, welcome to ABC tutorial, and this is abctutorial.com, and this is point of sale, POS part 3. And in this part I will analyze the database and what will be our database tables. So I will show you the things how to analyze this. So before starting, I want to let you know that this is abctutorial.com, and you can post anything in my community, but here you can get your code from article, and you can post anything like your tutorial request or your anything asking or anything you can post here. I will respond it frequently, and I will respond it as soon as possible. So thanks, and now I want to move in my part number 3, point of sale. So in point of sale, first time already we finished our template setup and everything, right? So this is the time where I can start my database analysis, right? So how actually we are doing the database analysis? So to start the database analysis, please open the Excel sheet. In Excel sheet, I will write the table name. So before this, I want to analyze the things. What will be actually processes? Like first time, what will be the process in point of sale? First time we will log in the system, right? So then login is a common things, but after login what will be the process? After login, actually we need to enter products into the system first time, right? With the quantity, right? So after entering the products, then our expectation is to this product will inserted into the database table, which is inventory. Like I'm adding a phone, like this is iPhone 3 or iPhone 7. So iPhone 7 3 quantity. So that means I will add the product with the quantity. So if I give the quantity, that means iPhone product will increase into the inventory management, right? So that's why we need product. We need the product product quantity values in a separate table, right? So so let's start. So like this is product table, right? So I will bold it. And how many property product table will carry? Like ID, and then will be name, and importantly, this is every product has a category, right? Like mobile phone, it's a mobile category, and laptop, it's a computer category, and like headphone, it's a mm, um, I mean, it can be a different category, right? So here I will add category ID. So category ID mean we need a category table, right? So here I will write a category table, and category table will carry this ID, this name, just these things. So I can carry status in every table. So ID, product name, product category. So status. See, where we will add a product, that means this information will be added. This is first time. For one product will be entered into the system for one time, right? It will never be duplicated. But when we are going to increase the quantity for this product, this information will stored in a different table, right? So this table name will be inventory, right? Inventory table. Not inventory, I can write it product quantity. Product quantity. So this is product quantity table. So ID means this is primary key. All these are primary key. This ID are primary key. Product ID. These are foreign key, right? FR. Foreign key with product table. This ID is uh, foreign key from this table. This ID has a relationship with this primary key. That means relationship will be so this is actually relations. So I don't need this one. So product ID, and here will be quantity. All right, quantity. So this is quantity. So see here, ID, product ID, quantity. So when we will add a product into the system, this like already we have a iPhone 6 I quantity 5 or 3. Okay, 3 quantity 3 iPhone 6 7. So I want to add another 2 quantity in my inventory. So what will happen this time? I will select product and I will add rest of the item like 2. So 3 is previous quantity and 2 is new quantity. That means quantity will be 5. If I sold a product, then this quantity will remove from this system, from this table property. So this is product quantity. So for sale, what will happen? For sale, agent or seller will sell the product from invoice, so by invoice or any process. So for this system we need a sales table, right? Sales. This sales table will carry ID. In sales table, like a invoice, like I want to show you a sales invoice. See here, in an invoice what we have, like a an invoice, and complete invoice mean one sale, right? And complete invoice mean one sale. So see here, in invoice we have a order number. So this will be okay, order number. So I will carry this is primary key, actually this table primary key. So order number, here we'll have order number and bill to, I mean billing information of the customer, right? So customer name, customer phone number, phone number, customer address. So see here, customer name, phone number and address, and order date, order date, order date, and payment method. We can select the payment method from UI. Payment method, and then and then and then we have product detail, right? But before product detail, these things, this is multiple product, right? So in sales table we will never enter the multiple product, we only single things will carry in this table. So that means here is single things. What, how many single things we have? Subtotal and total is a single things, right? So subtotal, I will carry total, total information, total amount, total amount. So see here, but these items, multiple items, I will keep these items into different table, right? So I will create another table. Name is like sales detail. Sales detail. So this sales detail will have primary key ID. This is actually primary key, and okay, and I will keep product ID. This is actually product table foreign key with product table. Okay, foreign key with product table, and see you have product and product price and quantity. Price, quantity. It will be price per single item price, actually price per price, and here will be total, line total. Like price is 2 taka, quantity is 4, that means here will be 8, right? So this is actually my concern. So see here, price, quantity, and total and subtotal I already carried in. I only take the total, not subtotal, in sales table, and this is sales detail table. So this is actually the tables, and when we are going to starting the work, then lot of things will come into our uh, eyes. So that time we can create more tables if we need, but till now this is enough for our project. Oh, another things, we need login information, right? So we need another table called, I can create this table here, user. In user we will have id, username, role, not role, this is right, username, password, role, status. So this will be our user for login, and this will be product category, and category wise we can enter the product, and for product wise we can increase or decrease our product quantity, I mean inventory. For sales we have two tables, sales and sales detail. In sales, for one sale, oh, another field I already missed here. Okay. Sales detail mean every sales detail has to be a sales id. That means this is sales id. So this sales id also a foreign key, and it's from sales table. So this is actually, for every sales detail we have a sales id and product id, right? Then we can track this sales id. If we have this sales id, then that time we can track which sales it is. So that is the our concern. So for every sales we have a sales detail. For every sales we have a sales detail. So this is user for login purpose. So thank you guys for today. This is our learning. So in next video I will show you the database and how to create database and how to create these tables in database. This part, I mean this playlist will be very easiest for you guys who is starting your learning. You can start your learning from here. I mean for advanced project learning, you can start by this playlist. So thank you everyone for your attention here. And if you have any question, of course you need to post your asking in abctutorial.com/community. And if you have any question, if you have need your code, then you can go abctutorial.com. Thank you very much. Keep subscribe.